Hello my dear students, today we are going to start our chapter number 6, Fun with Give and Take. So let's start. Chapter 6, Fun with Give and Take. Cricket match. In a cricket match, Sri Lanka made 235 runs. India has made 123 runs. How many more runs does India need to win? Guess. To win, India needs more than 100 runs or less than 100 runs. To win, India must make 236 runs. 1 run more than Sri Lanka. Runs India needed to win. Okay, so let's subtract 236 minus 123. First we have to subtract ones, then tens, and then hundreds. 6 minus 3. 1, 2, 3. Then in ones place 3. Tens place 3 minus 2. 1 left. Hundreds place 2 minus 1. 1 left. To win, India must make 113 runs. Means more than 100 runs. More than 100 runs. Now next. Try it yourself. Geeta had rupees 368 in her purse. She bought a book for rupees 123. How much money is left in her purse? Money left in her purse is rupees 368 minus rupees 123. Guess. Money left in Geeta's purse is more than 200 or less than 200. Okay, let's subtract. 368 minus 123. First we have to subtract ones, then tens, and then hundreds. Okay, so first ones. From 8 we have to subtract 3. 1, 2, 3. 5. Now next tens place. 6 minus 2. 1, 2. Then how many remaining? 4. Now hundreds place. 3 minus 1. 2. So the answer is 245. Okay. Now take the correct answer. More than 100 runs needed. In next page, you have to write the answer. Money left in her purse 245. Now next. Can you help Nabila? Nabila's mother sent her to the market to buy some things. She gave her rupees 245. Nabila bought 1 kilogram ghee for rupees 127. The shopkeeper gave her back rupees 98. Kilogram is written as kg. Did the shopkeeper give her the right amount? Okay, let's find out. Money Nabila had. Cost of ghee 245 minus 127. 245. 200s. 40 and 5 ones. We cannot take 7 ones from 5 ones, so borrow 10. 10 is, you can see. Now we have 15 ones. 245 minus 127. Here you can see. We cannot subtract 7. We cannot subtract 7 from 5. So let's borrow from 4. Means 110 we have to take. So in ones place we have 15 ones. You can see. Now next. From 15 ones, take away 7 ones, only 8 ones left. Okay. Now take only tens, only 1 10 left. 2 tens, then only 1 10 left. Now take away hundreds, only 1 hundreds left. Here you can see. So tokens left are 100, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, now here 15, 15 minus 7, 8, 3 minus 2, 1, and 2 minus 1, 1. The shopkeeper had to give Nabila rupees 118. How much more money should the shopkeeper give Nabila? The shopkeeper had to give Nabila 118. But the shopkeeper had to give Nabila 118. But he gave her back 98. So more money should the shopkeeper have to give Nabila. Okay, so let's do subtraction. 118 minus 98. First subtract ones place, then tens, then hundreds. 8 minus 8, 0. Now we cannot subtract 9 from 1. So we have to take borrow from 1. 11 and here 0. 11 minus 9, 2. So more money should the shopkeeper give to Nabila is rupees 20. Okay. Now write the answer. Okay. Now you can write the answer. The shopkeeper had to give Nabila rupees 118, but he gave her back rupees 98. More money should the shopkeeper give to Nabila? Rupees 20. Practice time. Baby tortoise is 33 years old. Mummy tortoise is 150 years old. How much younger is baby tortoise than mummy tortoise? Age of mummy tortoise 150 years. Age of baby tortoise 33 years. Okay. Now let's subtract. 150 minus 33. We have to take borrow from 5, so it's 4. Now 10 minus 3, 7, 4 minus 3, 1 and 1. So baby tortoise is 117 years younger than mummy tortoise. Now next, Arvind has read 69 pages of a storybook. Gauri has read 95 pages of that storybook. Who has read more pages and how many more? Okay. Subtraction, you can see. Now we cannot subtract 9 from 5. So we have to take borrow. Borrow from 9. So it will become 8. And here 15. 15 minus 9, 6. 8 minus 6, 2. So Gauri has read 26 pages more than Arvind. Now next. Reena noted the electricity meter reading of her house. Last month's reading was 118 units. This month's reading is 193 units. How much electricity did she use in 1 month? This month's reading is and last month's reading. Okay. This month's reading 193. Last month's reading 118. Subtraction, you can see. Now we cannot subtract 8 from 3, so we have to take borrow from 9. So 9 will become 8 and 3, 13. 13 minus 8, 5. 8 minus 1, 7, 1 minus 1, 0. So she used 75 units of electricity. Now next sum. Khushbu bought a shirt for rupees 125 and trousers for rupees 165. How much money did she spend altogether? Shirt for 125 and trousers 165. Now all together. So plus. Now let's add. First add ones, then tens, and then hundreds. 5 plus 5, 10. 0, 1 carry. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 1 plus 1, 2. She spent rupees 290 all together. Okay. Now let's write the answer. Now here you can write the answers. Gauri has read 26 pages more than Arvind. Next page. She used 75 units of electricity. She spent rupees 290 altogether. Solve the following simple addition and subtraction sums. Okay, let's do. First sum 17 minus 3. 7 minus 3, 4, 1 as it is. 14 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. 39 minus 10, 9 minus 0, 9, 3 minus 1, 2. 12 plus 24, 2 plus 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 plus 2, 1, 2, 3. 86 minus 58. We cannot subtract 8 from 6, so we have to take borrow from 8. So it will become 7 and 6, 16. 16 minus 8, 8. 7 minus 5, 2. Now another sums. 139 minus 110. 9 minus 0, 9. 3 minus 1, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. 7 plus 3, 10. 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4. Plus 1, 5. 2 plus 2, 4. Now again 5 minus 4, 1. 2 minus 0, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. Another sum. 474 minus 136. Here you can see we cannot subtract 6 from 4. So we have to take borrow from 7. So it will become 6. And 4 will become 14. 14 minus 6, 8. 6 minus 3, 3. And 4 minus 1, 3. Now next. Here again take borrow from 4. So it will become 3. 2 will become 12. 12 minus 3, 9. 3 minus 1, 2. 6 minus 4, again 2. 9 plus 0, 9. 4 plus 2, 6. 5 plus 6, 11. 1 carry. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8. 8. 1 plus 1, 2. Here you can copy the answers. Check your answers yourself. We will learn in another video. Okay? Bye bye. See you later. Have fun. Take care.